ZD, you ready to do this?
Yeah.
Can I get some sort of facial expression? M-Dub, you ready to do this?
Yeah. Sure. Let's do like a really big close-up. Alright. Try to just go for it. I can't do it.
That's what you always say.
Are you recording this?
Then you always end up doing it. Megan, is it cold? Megan, do you want to go jump?
No.
A little too tall?
Were you guys here before? Like,
We've been here. You need to pee too? Hold on.
I don't want to teach you to be outside either.
Oh, Jackson pees outside at home. Yes.
When he's around,
Hold on. Where's Patrick? Oh. You need to go pee-pee, Megan? What does mommy need to do?
Go!
What does she just need to do?
I need to dive in.
How do you dive in? He basically did it on your account, Megan. Megan, move forward a little bit.
I don't know if we have coffee here. You want water?
It would be done, but for some reason it wasn't connected to the Wi-Fi.
Are you filming?
It'll just start loading. Yeah.
Here we go. Grasshopper Point. 2013. Three, two, one. Oh yeah. No, this is Patrick. Oh no, this is Mark Dunn. No, this is Patrick. Next up, Mark Dunn. Oh, I slapped my hand. Oh, Jesus. Megan, was that cool? Yay! Okay, you're going.
Alright, let's go, Uncle Mark.
This is his gainer into a sleeper. Yay! That's so cool.
Live action!
Woo! Hey, Dad!
Here we go.
Live action!
Going in.